The sky is blue and all the leaves are green. My heart's as full as a baked potato. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Blue moon. Alright, now I gotta find out where this apartment is by looking at this map here.
Your destination is on the right.
This can never be easy, can it? So I'm waiting on a new toy currently. I actually pulled the trigger on the keyboard and it's on its way. And I'm going to pay for it in installments. And, you know, it's a happy day. Super, super, super. All about the things you do. Super, super, super. All day long. Super, super. Yeah. Super, super. Super, super. Yeah. Super, super. Yeah. Super, super. Another order successfully delivered. No big deal.
Captured in love, fell from above, will not save anymore. Talk to me sweet, make me complete, I live there on the floor.
It's a crazy rainy day today. Raining like a bastard, as they say. Does someone say that? Probably. Somebody somewhere says that, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm going home. I did a little bit today. I didn't really do much. It's pouring. It's not worth risking your life for. Plus, I had the luxury that a couple days this week I did a lot better than I needed to. So I'm going to take that extra from those days, move it into the balance, you know, move it into this day to balance everything out. That's pretty much what I do, you know? It's just like you slowly but surely accumulate in any way you can a number. If it takes you 5 days, so be it. If it takes you 3 days, even better. But you get to that number, and anything that you make after that is extra. So I haven't hit that number just yet, because also I did get the keyboard, and it has arrived today, and now my weekly get has gone up a bit because I need to pay for the damn thing now. So, but the flexibility of this job is probably... Whoops! The flexibility of this job is probably the best. It's probably the best part of it. So now I can go home and not risk my life and let everybody else deliver the food today. But me, I'm history. But not in a permanent kind of, forever kind of way. Just like for today. Taking a break. Hey, Bob. Oh. Okay. Yes. Ah, sure. Candy. Okay. Okay. Here we are. Here we are. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Right. Go, go. Don't do it. I told you not to do it. Oh, oh, Murta. You're welcome. Okay. More candy! Okay. I believe you.
And you'll see that we can have a count-in of no measures, one measure, two measure, or wait note. Wait note means as soon as I press the keyboard